Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing how to rebuild database on the PS4. So the only reason why I have my PS4 on the floor right now is just for this, but I usually don't have it on the floor. Okay, so first you're gonna want your PS4 to be off. The only thing you need is the charger and the controller and the PS4, of course. First, what you're gonna want to do is hold down the power button until you hear 2 beeps. So that was the first one. That was the second one. So now that's what you have to do. And then on the screen it will show this. So put your charger inside and put your inside the PS4 controller. Now it's in, and press PS button, and now it shows this, all these settings that you can use. You're gonna want to use rebuild database. So sometimes some controllers, this doesn't work to go up and down. See, like I'm pressing it, it's not doing anything going up and down. So use the D-pad, use these, and see it will go up and down. Now just go to rebuild database, press X, and it will ask you this. It says it might take a few hours, but it'll probably take like 2 minutes. So just press OK, and there you go. And it will show this. And there we go, now it's done. And it's just logging back in. You can plug out the charger like that. Go back into the account. And when you open it, it won't show your apps right here that you have. You have to go all the way to the right. There's all your apps back. And it'll just make your PS4 faster. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.